You're out selling every day. Wouldn't it be great to know your progress on a day-to-day basis? Now you can. In fact, it's easy to view detailed data about your quoting activities with one simple click. That's because AutoQuotes has built an intuitive analytics feature right inside of your AQ application. All you need to do is click the Analytics tab at the bottom of your screen to see quoting data that's specific to your projects. This helps you adjust your selling strategy as needed. And if you're a company administrator, you can also view company-wide data, which can help you better inform your sales team. To get the most out of AQ Analytics, customize your view to create a personalized snapshot of what is most important to you. View data by year, by quarter, or set a specific time period. Use the filters icon to drill down into specific data points or filter by salesperson. Focus on the projects that matter most to you by filtering on statuses and marketing category. If you want to share project data with executives or others in your organization, simply select the Excel Export button on the ribbon to generate a report. As an FES professional, AQ Analytics gives you the data and the power you need to make informed decisions. To learn more, contact us at sales@aqnet.com.